How would you like to earn $25 every 30 seconds? Now, you might think this is impossible, but today in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it. To receive your first payment, to receive your first $25, all you need is 30 seconds. I know this sounds crazy, but this is really possible. And you don't need to sell anything at all. You don't need to film a video of yourself. You don't need to recreate a video of someone else's. You don't need to have your own website, and you don't need any prior skill or experience at all. In fact, you don't even need to spend a dime on this because this method today is absolutely free and is available worldwide. So wherever you are in the world, you can absolutely do this. And what's great about this is that you only need two things: a gadget, whether it be your computer or your mobile phone, and an internet connection. That's it. You can also cash out your earnings in different payout methods, so stay tuned for that. Also, after you watch this video, you can start making money right away. But before we dive into the video, welcome to Mr. Mac Money, where we teach you the latest tips and tricks in making money online. Smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell, so you'll always be updated whenever I post new videos like this. Like this video and leave a comment down below if you have questions. Now let's go straight to the website. I want you to go over to legit.com, and that's legit.com. Again, that's legit.com. As you can see right here, this is like a marketplace where there are a lot of different services and different offers for you, or from anyone in the internet. As you can see right here, there are offers for graphic and design, SEO, internet marketing, video, audio and music, programming and technology, business, writing, e-commerce, jobs, and so much more. Now these right here are the categories, and if you hover your mouse over them, you can see the subcategories. So there are really a lot of services here for you and for everyone who's looking for services like this. Now if you scroll down here below, you can see the services and you can see how much they charge. Some people charge $20, $10, $6. Let's try here, $15. And here below, they also have $95, $55, and so much more. So actually, the pricing depends on the person who is offering the service. Now what I want you to do is go over here at the top on the categories and click on videos right away. Don't click any of the subcategories, okay? I just want you to click on video. So when you click on that, you'll be redirected to this page right here where you can see a lot of different services offered by different people for making videos. And as you can see, they charge a lot. They charge from $6 to $20, even $40 per video. They also have here $150. Now let me just repeat myself that you will not create the videos yourself. You will not do all the hard work. Because at the end of this video, I will be showing you a tool that will do all the work for you 100%. Now, let me go here and show you your potential earnings on legit.com. Let's say you charge $97 per package, and that's one video, okay? One package is one video. And let's just say every month you sell 15 of your package. Then you earn $1,455 per month. And that's just from selling your package. Now, if you think about it, if you double it, if you sell 30 packages per month, then you would earn nearly $3,000 per month, and that is a lot. And all you have to do is just sell one video per day for $97. So this right here is a very great opportunity. Clicking on this video was a really great idea. Now, only a few people talk about legit.com. That's why I want you to do this. Because right now, there's only a few competition. Okay, so right now, I'm just gonna click on this so that we can see the details of whatever they're offering. So as you can see right here, turn blog post into video, video creation, animated article, or blog post. This guy right here has received 25 reviews and he has been rated with 5 stars. And here on the right side, you can see that there are more details about his package. Now, as you can see right here, for every 30-second to a 1-minute video, he charges $15 for that. For a video that's 1 to 5 minutes long, he charges $47 for that, with a voiceover included in this package, by the way. Now, he has a premium package right here that is worth $87. And that is a 5 to 10 minute video from blog post article plus voiceover. So what he does is he creates an engaging 5 to 10 minute video from a blog post article with branded corner watermark, royalty-free music, videos, and images. He also has a premium voiceover included with that. If you guys are enjoying the video so far, don't forget to smash the like button and hit subscribe. Now let's go back to the video. Okay, so right now let me show you the first automation website which will help us in generating these videos for free and without you doing any work at all. I want you to go over to powtoon.com. That's powtoon.com, Powtoon.com. So this is a visual communication platform that gives you the freedom to create professional and fully customized videos for your audience. Powtoon is one of the best websites out here that will give you free opportunity. If you look at here below, this website has been used by different big companies such as Coca-Cola, Pfizer, eBay, Costco, Starbucks, and Cisco. Now, if you scroll here below, you can see more other companies that has been using Powtoon. We have Microsoft, we have Google, Cisco again, we have IBM, we have Verizon, Dell, Adobe, Skyguide, Unilever, and so much more brands. What I need you to do is scroll your way back up to the top and click on this templates button right here. Just click on it like so, and then you'll be redirected to this page right here where you can see a lot of different templates for free. So what you'll need to do is just scroll down here and you can see that there are a lot of professionally made templates and these are all done for you. Which means that all you have to do is just spend a little time on this and then you'll have your own professionally made video. Okay, so if we go back here to legit.com, I want you to hover your mouse over video, right? And when you see here the subcategories, you can see that whiteboard videos are second on the list of the most popular videos that are in demand today. So what I want you to do is go back to powtoon.com and let's search for a whiteboard video template. As you can see here, there are a lot of different whiteboard templates. We have this one, and right here below we also have this one. So let me just pick one of these for the sake of this tutorial. So let me just click on this one right here, 5 whiteboard tips. Okay, so now that we are redirected to this page right here, I want you to click on the play button so that you'll have a preview on how this will look like. So a whiteboard video looks like this. And you can see a lot of this on social media or on YouTube because this has been really popular lately. Now, if you like that already, just click on edit this template. Then you'll be redirected to this page right here where you have to sign up for an account. So what you'll need to do is just enter your email address right here or sign up with just one click of a button by clicking on Google or Facebook. So let me just log into my account real quick. And as you log in, you'll have to answer a few questions such as what will you use Powtoon for? So you can answer personal needs or you can use education, nonprofit. You can do whatever you like. Okay, you just answer that. There are a couple of questions. It's very easy and you can do it yourself. So after answering all those questions, you'll be redirected to this page right here where you can see a lot of different templates. And now let me just click on the template that I have chosen. And now that it has loaded, you'll see that it'll look like this. Now what I love about this is that this is fully customizable. So whatever you want to put in here, you can just change this. So whatever your client wants you to put, you can just put it here. So for example, I'm gonna change this to subscribe. And I'm gonna put here to Mr. McMoney. So that's just an example. Now let me change the color of subscribe. I'm gonna change that to, let's say, green. And this logo right here, I can change this to whatever color I like. I can use blue, I can use purple, I can use yellow, or orange. Anyway, what I mean is this is fully customizable. And when you're done with that, once you're done with everything, all you have to do is click on save right here or export. So when you click on export, you have to export and share, or you can download video MP4. So now once you have the video, you can then send it to your client right away. But before we proceed to the next part of the video, which is the bonus part of today's video, I want you guys to comment down below where you come from so that in the future, I can make more videos about making money online that'll work in your country so that I can help you guys. Because that's what we do here on Mr. Mac Money. We help each other grow. Now, let's go back to the video. Today's bonus tip or today's bonus website is flixpress.com. That is flixpress.com. You can create videos online in just minutes. Make high quality video for your business, YouTube, special occasion, or fun. And you can start for free. Okay, so now what I want you to do is click on this automated templates button right here, and then you'll be redirected to this page where you can see that there are a lot of different templates made just for you. And these are free, but not all of them, okay? Right here, you can see that there are free plan templates. I want you to click on that, and you'll be redirected to this page right here. Now, what you can do with this is use this free templates right here and create an intro for your client. Now, a lot of clients will pay about $50 per intro and such or more. So this is another way of making money online using this free tool right here. Again, about Powtoon.com, you can sell these videos for $79 per pack or for package. So in order to edit these templates for free, you have to log in or to sign up. So you go back to the homepage. I want you to click on get started for free, or you can click on this register or log in button at the top right hand corner of your screen. And after that, you can then save your videos to your computer. Now that legit.com is still new and the competition is still low, I want you guys to take advantage of it and use these websites as leverage. This way, you can earn more money online. And that's it! If this video helped you and if you like it, don't forget to smash the like button, hit subscribe, and don't forget the notification bell. If you have further questions about this method, make sure to comment down below. I'll see you in the next video.